So, what celebrity annoys you the most and you would wish would go away? There's a lot.
That's a really cool question. I'm going to say the Kardashians. And I'm saying that the reason I've paused is our A-lister celebrity in the AV industry, I renamed his surname Kardashian last night. And he quite liked it.
Artificial intelligence, to be feared or to be embraced?
I think embraced. There's no point fearing it. It's here, it's staying, and it's going to continue.
What is in your InfoComm survival kit? It's a long week, lots to do.
I have a vitamin pack to make sure that I start every day with something. It's the humidity and the dehydration. So for me, it's about hydrating and replacing some of the electrolytes and getting some vitamins along the way.
What's the best flavor in Skittles? At least that's something we can really.
It depends on my mood, but the green and the purple are up there for me.
Those are your, see, I think I'm a little bit reversed. I think I like a yellow.
So we would get on. We could share a packet.
We could. Oh, and then we would each have our favorite, and then not
we won't
have
fight.
Calories.
Yeah.
Okay. What was the first concert that you attended?
I'm showing my age now, but it was Michael Jackson. My sister got me tickets, and I went twice in the same tour.
That's way cool. Mine was the Spice Girls.
Okay, that works. So mine was an American artist, yours was a British artist. Exactly. So we're getting on well. That's good. I like that.
What's one of your most fondest moments at InfoComm?
It is the networking and probably the tweet up. The feeling around the stand at that time, the buzz and the excitement. There was nobody without a big smile on their, everybody was just so pleased to be there and so pleased to see each other. So that was really, really good.
What's one of your favorite movies?
That's easy. My favorite movie of all time is Ferris Bueller's Day Off.
Oh, really?
It's, I've forced my children to watch it as soon as they were old enough because I'm an old girl. I have it on VHS and I have it on DVD as well. It just, it never ages for me.
What was your first job?
Working at the airport in passport control. So every summer through university I worked at the airport and saw some great celebrities. Was shocked at how tall Stevie Wonder was. I had no, yeah.
If the zombie apocalypse happens, what skills do you possess that you think will keep you alive?
Oh, I don't know. I think I would probably just hide. I'm good at remaining calm outwardly. Inside, I will be panicking like hell. Yes. So
that would have been me on that plane. Oh my gosh. Wow. Well, we're glad you're here. Can't wait to hang out at InfoComm.
So yeah, it will be good. It will be good.